First, peel out the skin. Ningkong ko shwa yakasnap. And now cut it into small pieces. But menta odrit yau. Put inside the pot. Temp hapo uq. Pour water half a pot. Te shitenq. Let it boil for half an hour. I bakantanam shiteng kinta. After that, it is cooked the depnang ta kalai. Easiest method to cook. Karukam shet basuktam. But do I have to stir it? Tang ba hatu ngan hap king yaka? No need to do it. Amdan kamban le ekata. I am feeling hungry now. Ngala sngo than menta. Serve me a plate of rice. Khat jaya nga shipliang. Will you eat cold rice too? Pinbam japajaru? Yes, just a little. Hoi tangkandiat. Will you eat with a hand or a spoon? Pinbam dakakti ne daka shaman. I will eat by hand. Ngan bam dakakti. I feel more satisfied. Ngakam skohon. Give me more soup. I shit sure yanga. I like the soup. Ngabang yakasarwa. Okay, thank you. I have to go to work now. To, kublay ngan hable siya jing tray menta.